Hi guys, welcome back. It's been a while that I haven't done a video. Guys, um, sorry I have a little bit of anxiety, but I'm taking part in a collaboration hosted by the Grace Life DIY, Home Decor and Lifestyle, and Melissa from the Buckeye Girls recent thing, guys. Is to show our Sunday meals. I'm going to be making some pasta. I will be sharing that with you. And guys, I want to thank you for all the prayers for my daughter. Um, Unfortunately, I just received news she's back in the way to the hospital. She's not feeling herself, so I ask you to continue praying for her. That's why I got anxiety. But I want to do this video to keep my mind occupied. I've been in a lot of stress. So, anyways, guys, thank you again for all the prayers. And here I am again. I want to share this video. So I'm going to make some pasta, and you guys know I'm going to be making turkey pasta. Gonna be making two styles of pasta, one for me and one for my husband. Um, so I'm gonna post you right there, and I'm gonna bring you right back with some progress. Well, guys, I forgot to mention that our collaboration used to be called Get Back on Track. Um, so now we just share every Sunday at least one of our meals. I haven't, like I said, participated in collaborations for a while. So because I've been busy. So guys, I have my ground turkey cooking. I add some yellow and red peppers. Back there I have shrimp, and over here I will put the pasta. So yeah, guys, that's what we do is pasta. And yes, we're going to have some garlic bread. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to cook the meat, and I'm going to come back and show you some progress. I don't want to make it such a long video. Um, so once the meat is cooked, I'll come right back, okay? Our meat is almost cooked. At this point, I will add some of my seasoning. I will be using this and sazon Goya, which gives it turns you food the food colorant. So season your meat or your food to your taste. I don't measure because I'm already used to cooking like this. I don't know, we Spanish people don't measure anything, but if you measure, season your meat to your taste. I will be adding some of this, and also I will be adding some sofrito, which is a mixture. I do not add the whole package, so I just add by half, and also some black pepper. I forgot to mention also my daughter. For those that don't know, she went into cardiac arrest last Friday. By Friday evening, the say that she was not doing good. So you guys, I believe in the power of prayer. I just got on my knees on the hospital. I put my hands over my daughter's chest, and I pray to God to wake her up and get her out of that situation. And 5 seconds after I was done praying, she opened her eyes and she came back. Guys, the reason why she's in the way to the hospital today is because she said that she's not feeling herself, and she's also having short-term memory. She remember what happened to her years ago and everything, but things is happening day by day. She's not remembering. So her fiance is taking her to the hospital. She's not going by ambulance this time. She just decided to tell her fiance to take her to the hospital. So guys, Um, my pasta, the reason why I'm making shrimp separate is because my husband is allergic to shrimp and he cannot have shellfish. He can have fish, but he cannot have shellfish. So this is why I'm doing it separate. I will show you how I will be doing my pasta, and of course, you guys in the regular pasta, we're also gonna have garlic bread with our meals. All right, guys, let me put the garlic bread in the oven, and I'll be right back. Well, guys, I added the sauce, and before it starts boiling, start popping a lot. I'm gonna cover it so my wall stay nice and clean. Even though every time I cook, I clean the wall after, but just to avoid that, I really see a little spot right here. So yeah, guys. So now I'm going to be peeling my shrimps, and then I already put the garlic bread in the oven. So the pasta is almost done, and I will show you more little bit more update on that. And I'm going to get my sauce ready, which is mayonnaise and spices. It's more like a salad, but it's my meal because I'm going to be eating it. I'm going to be eating it hot. I don't know if you guys have ever done that, but it tastes delicious. It's like some people use Alfredo sauce. I don't like Alfredo sauce, so I do mine like the way I will be doing it, and I will show you how to do it. All right, guys, the pasta's done. The meat is done. Here's my sauce, which is 2 spoons of mayonnaise. I put some adobo goya and some seasoning to make it orange. Do not confuse it with mayonnaise and ketchup. It's not the same thing. You could also add garlic powder. I wouldn't have garlic powder, but the garlic powder that I have salt in it, and I don't want that because it's gonna make it salty. So now I also have my shrimp peeled here and clean. So that's gonna go on my meal. Now waiting for the garlic bread, and when it's done, I will play the food and show you what it looks like. Well, guys, our meal is done. Let's show you what it looks like. Here we go. That's what it looks like. Regular pasta with meat and vegetables and seafood pasta with garlic bread. So I hope you like it, guys. Anna, thank you for hosting once again. And I will see you in the next one. Bye bye, guys. Bon appetit.